Hi guys, a very warm welcome from Arjati Creations. Today we are going to do a very special lesson of Icon where we are going to create a Shubh Labh. For that I have taken an MDF wood. This is approximately 6 mm thick and the diameter is 10 centimeter. So two of them I have taken, one where we'll write Shubh and the other where we'll write Love. And this is super festive. We are going to have a beautiful hanging below where we are going to hang super beautiful pearls. So this is going to be the ultimate for the festive season. You can not only create it for your own houses, but you can also gift it. Now suppose you don't have an MDF, not to worry. You can cut any cardboard piece in a circle and then use it. Just create two holes on the top and the bottom so that we can have a hanging on top and we can have a latkan below. So first step, I'm going to do a good coat of gesso and then we are going to start our icon designing. Now see, I have done a coat of gesso on both my wooden pieces. For icon work, I'm going to use crimson color. This is crimson acrylic color. I'm going to do a good coat of crimson and then we'll start our beautiful icon designing onto this. So now my crimson color has dried completely. I've drawn two circles, one at 3 centimeter radius, one at 4 centimeter radius. And we'll be needing some water, a 000 brush and a white acrylic color. So let us get started. First we are going to create border patterns for both of them. Now we are going to create a border. For the border pattern, I am using the triangles here. So now we are going to do thin lining here. Now we'll do the other side lines like this. Now we are going to write Shubh Labh. For Shubh Labh, I will be writing it in white color. First, let us make an outline. Now see, our beautiful Shubh is done. Now we are going to write Labh. Now let these two dry completely. First the Shubh Labh, because this is a little thicker color, it might take a little while for it to dry, and then we are going to decorate it with a latkan below. I'll show you how to make the latkan at home and how to decorate. Now that my Shubh Labh have dried up, let me show you how to make a latkan. For this I have taken a wire. This is a wire gauze. I have some beads. This is the 3 mm size, this is the 5 mm size, this one is a 12 mm size. These are some rings that we will be using. See, let me show you. These are the rings like this that we will be using. And I have taken 2 jump rings of different sizes. This is a flower which I will be using for the latkan. So there will be 3 latkans and we are going to attach a jump ring for the top. So if you don't have the wire, you can also take a thread. So just press this wire. First I am going to put a 3 mm bead into it. So this becomes the base. Now take a 5 mm bead, then take a 12 mm bead. Put this wire through the 5 mm bead and the 12 mm bead, so this becomes solid at the base. Now we will put a ring. Okay, let me put this aside like this. Now we will put one bead of 5 mm. Now I am putting this flower face down. Now again this ring. Now I am going to put 5 of these beads. We will now put 3 golden beads and 5 these beads. So see, this latkan has been made. We are going to make 3 latkans like this. So let me show you. I have made 3 latkans like this. Absolutely same length. Now take a white bead, pass it through all 3. Okay. We are going to now take a golden bead, pass it through all 3. And we will take another white bead, pass it through all 3. So you will have to tighten it a bit. So now I have tightened all 3. See. What I am going to do is, there is this small size jump ring. I am going to tie the wire in the small size jump ring. So this is going to be a little tricky. Now I'm going to cut off all the extra wires. Now take your lark, take a piece of wire, and let me attach it. Now in case wire is not there, you can do this using a thread also. So now I've attached the latkan below. For this I am taking another piece of wire. This is not a big wire piece, small one. Just press it into half, pass it through the hole. First what we are going to do is hold both wires together. Pass one 3 mm bead. This is really small. Okay. Next we are going to pass 2 5 mm white, few 5 mm golden, that means basically 2 beads, and another 2 beads of 5 mm white. Now we are going to pass another small bead. So this much, tighten it and I'm going to tie my jump ring to it. Let me tie it. So now in this way I have attached the jump ring on top, see, and our beautiful latkan of lab is done. I have created the same latkan for shoe. So see now, the super beautiful Shubh Labh latkan in Ipon style is done. You can create this, you can use the moti of your choice and create the beautiful latkan in this way for your Diwali festival that is coming. Do create your own, do share your creations with us, and do tell us how you created your latkan, what all colored motifs you used for your latkan as well.
Do like our video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the notification button so that you can be notified as soon as we put a new video or are live on our channel. Thanks for watching and bye bye.